Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. I'm Cassandra. Today I have another fragrance unboxing. So if you want to know exactly what's in this box, please continue to watch. Okay, I just got home and I had a package. Now, just to tell you all about this package, my husband asked me, he said, baby, it'll be 31 years married, 41 years together as a couple in July. So what do you want for your anniversary gift? I said, fragrances, baby. And I kind of want some more expensive, some, different kind of fragrances. So he told me, so write down 10 fragrances that you would like. And out of the 10, I would try to get you at least 4 of the 10. 4 out of the 10. I said, okay, baby. I said, you sure? Now, I got expensive taste. I said, are you sure? He said, yes, I know. It's expensive when somebody else buying it. So, well, hey. So, when this box came, it had my husband's name on it. And he said, baby, you got a box. I looked at the box and said, baby, that box got your name on it. He said, baby, you got a box. So, out of the 10 fragrances I asked him for, I don't know which one this is. So let's open it up and let's find out. Okay. Let's see. Guess what it is, y'all? Chanel. 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 Okay, calm down, Cassandra. Calm down. Calm down. Now, on that list now of 10 fragrances I gave him, I had 4 Chanels on there. Which 4 Chanels? I put 4 Chanels on there. So out of the 4, which one this is? I don't know. But we can find out. Okay, let me open this. What is this? Oh, this just tell the price and all that kind of stuff. But anyway, this is how it comes. Open it up. Look, y'all. Open it up. That's what I see. Okay, let's open this little black bag up. It says Chanel on it. Open it up. Okay, and inside is just some sample. I got Chanel number 5 EDP, and that's what that one looks like. And this one says Chance Chanel Chance, and this is an EDT, and that's what that one looks like. Okay. Make sure that's all in here. Just this one. Yes, just this one. And this is what it is. So this is what it is. Gabrielle Essence. And y'all know my friend here on YouTube, Bougie Fragrance, she just got this too recently. And child, when I saw it has jasmine in it, I said, I hope my homie get me that. Because I did have it on the list. So, this is the packaging. Let's see what it looks like. The way Dawn was carrying on, it better be all that and more, Dawn. Look, Dawn. Look. A beautiful bottle. Oh, and he got CC up there. Let me spray it. Oh my. That's all I can say. Oh. Okay. This is an unboxing as well as a first impression. So I will have the notes up here, the correct notes up here somewhere. And I'm just going to tell you what I smell. Oh, my, my, my. My. This is epic. Oh, this is epic. Oh. What I smell? I smell fruit, like maybe peaches, berries. Oh, wow. I smell tuberose, jasmine. So it's fruity, it's florally, musky fragrance. This fragrance, oh, this is something I think you would wear in the springtime, in the daytime. I mean, you can wear it at night, you and your boo together, but you can also wear it in the daytime just as a casual scent too. But this is gorgeous. This is simply gorgeous. You can wear it to the office. It wouldn't be offensive. It's not offensive. Y'all, this is epic. Oh, I gotta tell my husband how much I appreciate it. This is so good, y'all. Oh, like I said, this is just my first impression just by opening it up. But I definitely smell fruit in it, like peaches, berries, red berries, orange blossom, jasmine, tuberose, musk, a little vanilla. Is not overly sweet. I mean, whew, if y'all want me to do an in-depth video, comment in the bottom section of this video, because I will do it. I will wear this fragrance for a whole week, come back and let y'all know exactly what I think. Oh, First impression, on a scale from 1 to 5, this is a 5. The bottle, elegant, a 5. The box, the presentation of the box, I give it a 3. But the presentation overall inside this Chanel box, child, please, a 5. I know high-end fragrances, they be all bougie and stuff, and that's why I wanted it. I want to be bougie. Yes, bougie. Y'all, Gabrielle essence. This is the bomb. Bomb diggity. Epic. Y'all got to get it. This is gorgeous. I wouldn't tell you no lie. It's gorgeous. Please comment in the bottom section of this video and let me know, do you have this fragrance? Are you planning on purchasing this fragrance? Or are you going to purchase because I was talking about it? Please comment. Please share. Please subscribe to my channel. If you have not subscribed already, please subscribe to my channel. Because here on this channel, we talk about fragrances. The love of the fragrances. We talk about makeup. We talk about beauty care. The overall goodness. We talk about hair. We talk about life. Just living life the best that we can. Y'all, I'll see y'all next time. Don't forget again to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.